Once, there was a wealthy merchant who possessed a magnificent parrot. This parrot was not only beautiful, but also remarkably intelligent. It could speak several languages, sing songs, and even recite poetry. The merchant was extremely proud of his prized possession. One day, as the merchant was traveling through a distant city, he decided to visit a renowned scholar. He brought his parrot along, thinking it would impress the scholar. The merchant introduced himself and his parrot, boasting about its abilities. The scholar, known for his wit, asked the parrot, "Can you answer a question for me?" The parrot, with its head held high, replied, "Of course. I am knowledgeable in many matters." The scholar asked, "Tell me, how old is the universe?" The parrot, despite its intelligence, had no answer to this profound question. It stammered and tried to respond, but it became clear that it did not possess the wisdom to answer such a question. The scholar turned to the merchant and said, "You see, my friend, while your parrot may have learned many things, it has not learned the most important lesson, the humility of not pretending to know what it does not." The merchant realized the valuable lesson in humility that his parrot had taught him that day. He thanked the scholar for the wisdom and left with a newfound understanding that true knowledge includes recognizing the limits of one's knowledge. This story reminds us of the importance of humility and the fact that there are always things we do not know. It's a tale of wisdom learned through humility rather than through pride in one's perceived knowledge.